In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thank you page on SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing I must tell you is that you must have one of their paid plans to be able to do this, okay? So this is not available on the free version. However, if you do have one of the upgraded premium plans, you could go ahead, click on the survey. You want to add a thank you or a custom thank you page on, and then you want to go ahead and not be inside the designer, or you want to go up here where you can see it says collect responses. Click on that. And then in here, you want to click on the specific collector you want to add a thank you page for. So click on here. I'm going to click on the web link one, my collector over here. And then it's going to say custom thank you over here. And as you can see, it's a bit yellow. That's because you have to have one of the premium plans. And this allows you to show a custom thank you message to people who complete your survey. So you could just click on here. And when you have the premium version of SurveyMonkey, you'll be able to add in your custom thank you message. And that's pretty much how to add it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.